To set up contactless payments on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, I will give you a quick disclaimer that I'll be doing this whole setup on Google Wallet app. So if you want to do it for Google Wallet, you will also need to download it from Google Play Store like this. And when you have that app, then you can use it. Of course, we can go for any app that you want. Simply follow those instructions. It's very similar for most of them. So now when we have that ready, let's open the settings for our phone and then we can go to connections. Select NFC and contactless payments and then you'll need to make sure that it's on. Here, each time you will try to pay with your phone, I would recommend to have that option on, otherwise the payments won't work. After that, we can go for default wallet app and I'm gonna go for Google Wallet. When we have our app selected, open the app that you've chosen. In this case, as I said, we're gonna go for the Google Wallet. After that, it will use your account and you can click on the plus button that should be visible right here. This will allow you to add your payment card. You will need to fill up all of the information about your card, either by scanning it using the camera on your phone or by entering all of the details manually. When it's all done, you'll be able to have that card and then pay with your phone by simply closing your phone into the terminal. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.